Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Today we are painting.
Blue.
And Dawson has a, don't know, this is a dinosaur, but the name of the dinosaur is
It is blue one. Get a blue one.
And Berkeley, what kind of animal are you painting today?
A pink tiger, dark blue.
You're gonna paint a blue tiger. Okay, so let's get our colors.
Colors.
Yes.
It's blue.
Here's the color blue. Where do you want the color blue to go, Berkeley? Where do you want it to go?
And it was
To the
you.
middle? Okay. Squirt some blue out. Alright. The tiger. Yeah. Oh, wow, baby. That looks so good. What about some green, boys?
No green.
No green? Look. That's fun. Okay, here. Okay, we'll do some more.
Squish, 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 squish. Squish.
Here's some orange. What color is this?
Orange.
Orange. Here. Ooh, that one was kind of little. Hold on. Let Mommy put the top back on. All right. Dawson is having a taste of the paint. Where do you want it? Where's the orange gonna go?
Was you.
Here. Show me on the plate. Over here. Let's do some orange.
And here.
Dawson doesn't really understand painting, but all right, Berkeley's painted a cross.
I'll make you dark purple.
He's making dark purple, is what he said. Put orange on your tiger? Wow. So what about green?
Yes.
Here's green.
It's blue.
Wow, this is all washable paint. Here we go.
Squish.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Squish.
Okay. That's a lot of green. Here, Mommy's gonna help Dawson paint his dinosaur. Here we go. Ooh, look, we can do some texture with the sponge. Yeah. We got some texture going on here.
Squish. Squish.
Okay. What other color did we not do?
A blue.
Well, we did blue. We didn't do this color. What does it say this color is?
A brown.
This one's kind of like a
Peach.
flesh tone.
Squish.
But it was already
A squish. A squish. A squish. Squeeze.
Oh, okay. That's
Squeeze.
enough of that one.
Make it all.
You heard Callie wanting to come outside. Okay.
And spread it
Let's
around.
put some of this. Spread it around. Now paint. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can pick that up. Look here. Here you go, Dada boy. Yeah. Oh, good job. I know, he wants to do it himself. He's a big boy. All right, you try it.
It's
Now do the other side. This side.
Wow. Wow, baby, that's so good. You're so creative. Ooh, don't forget to paint this down here too. Can Mommy help you? Can Mommy help? Let's do a swirl of colors. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, sponge it. We're gonna sponge it. Boom, sponge it. That is so good, Berkeley. Dawson's painting the paint. Oh, and me. Whoa.
okay.
Baby, that's awesome. Here,
me-
you wanna...
A smile.
Yeah.
A smile, tiger. A smile, tiger.
Oh, he needs a smile. Here.
Boom.
All right, squish it in there, okay? Not a lot. We just need a little bit. Okay. Paint for next time.
I'm looking all around blue.
Yeah, no more blue. We have
You got some paint in
plenty
your
of...
mouth?
Uh-oh. There we go. Wipe it on your shirt.
Spread it, spread it.
Spread it.
Okay,
I
blue.
like this color you made right here.
Make-
This little swirl we got going on.
Look at that dinosaur.
It's a good looking dinosaur. Whoa. Yeah. Oh boy.
Whoa, what's that?
A toggle.
What color is your tiger?
Blue toggle.
Yeah. Oh, did you paint my lens?
Spread it around. Make it.
All right.
Orange one.
Maybe there's orange right here. Let's use that. You're getting paint all over your lion. Here, sit down. Lion's okay. You're getting paint on him, so mommy put him up there. Come over here, Stinky boy. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. What you doing, paint boy?
I painted a toggle. I painted a toggle.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Berkeley Bear, I'm so proud of you. That looks amazing.
Make a tree. Make a blue now.
That blue. Cross blue. Is that bad?
Mm.
Good job. Now what about the tiger? Get some more paint. Good job, buddy. Filling in all the spaces.
Make it a one. Make it a one. Make it 10. And that's in. Look at blue.
Yeah, baby, it's amazing.
A blue toggle.
Show us your tiger.
Toggle. Get the blue. A blue toggle.
Show us the dinosaur.
A blue.
Yeah. Show us the cross. Good job. All right, say bye, guys.
Okay.
Say we have fun. See you soon.
Okay.
Give him a